In this video, I'll show you how to add realistic wear, dirt, and damage to any wall in Blender, using node-based materials only. Before we touch any nodes, it's important to understand how this material is structured. If you skip this part, the node setup won't make sense later. We are not just adding dirt to a wall. We are layering materials, just like in the real world. A realistic wall has 3 layers. 1. A clean base wall. 2. A dirt layer. 3. A damage or wear layer. Each layer will have its own shader, and these shaders will be blended together using masks. We will use 3 types of masks. First, a height or ground mask, to place dirt near the bottom of the wall. Second, an edge wear mask, to add damage where walls naturally wear out. And third, a noise mask, to break perfection and add randomness. Before starting, make sure your wall already has a material. Go to the shader editor. Make sure you can see a principled BSDF connected to the material output. This is your clean wall material. Duplicate the base shader. We now have 2 identical shaders. One will stay clean, the other will become dirt. Add a noise texture node. Add a color ramp. Add a mix RGB node. Connect the noise texture color output to the color ramp input. Connect the color ramp output to color 1. Connect the result to the base color of the dirt shader. Now we create a mask to control where dirt appears. Add a geometry node. Add a separate XYZ node. Add a color ramp. Duplicate the BSDF again. Connect position to separate XYZ. Use the Z output. Z means height. Connect Z to the color ramp input, and connect the result to the BSDF. Add damage mask. This makes damage random. Add a geometry node. Add a color ramp. Add a noise texture node. Add a mix RGB node. Connect pointiness to the color ramp. Connect the color ramp to color 1. Connect the noise texture to color 2. Before further adjustments, we need to split the window and observe the changes we're making. First, disconnect the material output from any nodes and reserve it for the final result. Add a mix shader. Connect the result from the original material into the first shader input. Connect the result from the dirt mix into the second shader input. Add a second mix shader. Connect the result from the first shader mix into the first shader input. Connect the result from the dirt height mask into the second shader input. Use the edge damage mask as the factor. Connect the final mix shader to the material output. Your wall now has dirt and damage. Make small adjustments to improve the result. Adjust the color ramps to control intensity. Small changes give better results. Less dirt always looks more realistic. Play around with the lighting for better results.